Vivo is all set to launch its new Vivo Z5x smartphone in China. Plenty of details on the phone has surfaced in the past few days. Today, Vivo has shared three posters of the Vivo Z5x smartphone on Vivo to confirm its display size, battery capacity, and processor. As it can be seen on the website, the Vivo Z5X will be arriving with a 6.53-inch display with a punch hole design. Probably it will carry a support for a full HD plus resolution. We are expecting an OLED, but it will carry an full HD plus resolution. This particular phone is fueled with Snapdragon 710 chipset coupled with 8 GB of RAM and having an internal 128 GB of storage. So you will find a variant of 6 GB and 64 GB also. There is a huge battery capacity of 5000 mAh with fast charging support. Vivo Z5X is equipped with a triple rear camera of 13MP plus 8MP plus 2MP, and this phone will have a punch hole front camera which is of 16MP. The camera module is impressive here, but we have to see what it is going to pack finally when it is launched. So these are the specification of this phone. So in international market this phone will cost you around $300, and in India it may launch at the price range of 19,000 to 22,000 Indian rupees. So the expected launch date is in China it is going to launch on 24th May 2019, and across other countries still we have to wait for around 15 to 1 month. So next in the month of June it may launch in India and other countries. So this is all about Vivo Z5X. So thanks for watching. Share this video among your friends. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.